Good morning, friends. This is time for the trade plan of 20th of July 2020. Now, overnight, US markets have closed fairly strongly, although the Dow is down a little bit. But today in the morning, Asia is flat to down, nothing significant. So, similarly, the SGX Nifty is showing about a 50-point dip, which is not surprising given that we had a last hour flourish. So let's see, you know, where we could get, buying opportunities. So let's go and have a look at the Nifty chart. Okay, so this is the Nifty. Given that you had this large rally, anything close to say about 10,860 to about 10,830, this sort of zone, the breakout zone. Any decline to these levels should allow you to again buy into the Nifty. In terms of the daily chart, it's clear that we are breaking out. So post the gap down, I think you will see some sort of upside happening on the Nifty. So your entry zone is 10,830 to 860. Let's have a look at the Nifty Bank. Nifty Bank, yes, it's rallied, etc. But my view is that this is still a weaker index. And it will play catch up. So this is not your, outperformer. What is an outperformer? It is the Nifty IT. Okay. So any sort of consolidation here should allow you to again buy into the Nifty IT. Let's have a quick look on the week's pivots. On a weekly basis, the Nifty needs to stay above 10,800. We have a support zone at 10,695 to 10,800 and resistance zone at 11,010 to 11,115. Bank Nifty on a weekly basis needs to stay above 21,890. Support zone on Bank Nifty is 21,070 to about 21,520. Resistance zone is 22,420 to about 22,870. On a very daily basis, Nifty intraday should not get below 10,860. Support zone is 10,796 to about 10,850 and resistance zone is 10,960 to 11,014. So all kinds of dips need to be bought into. In terms of individual stocks, uh, SBI cards looks extremely interesting to me, although I am not greatly in favor of financials, but this is something a bit different. Let's see. As you can see, it has recently crossed its listing high. And I have a theory which says that once something crosses the listing high, okay, I would think that basically the sky is the limit. Immediate target should be about 900, 950 on SBI cards. So this is something that people can look at for the day. Overall, like I explained in the video over the weekend, pharma, FMCG, IT, these are the spaces which are outperforming. Financials continue to underperform. Now I know that several people are expecting the banks to have a catch up trade. I don't think the catch up will be very significant. It will underperform most of the time. So if I have to write options, I would prefer the banking index. And writing option means that you can sell the 21 500 uh, puts and uh, also 22 500 calls. Please hedge in both directions, and basically, even if the markets do move up, unlikely that the banks will be able to keep pace with the upside movement. Lots of people are saying that Nifty Bank is making a head and shoulder. They are saying this is a shoulder, this is a head, and this is a shoulder. It's quite useless trying to preempt these patterns. What you should do is wait for the pattern to get formed and then talk about these sort of patterns, because often what is appearing like head and shoulder will start appearing like something else as time goes by. My sense is that we are entering a very positive week, and there is significant momentum in the market to use all kinds of decline to enter. That should be it for the day. Take care, trade well, and please consult your financial advisor.